Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series. Now we are in lesson number 28, Python coding on Jetson Nano. In this lesson we are going to see strings in Python. Alright, so in some of the previous examples I did use strings and I showed you something very basic, but now we are going to get into more and more details. Alright, a string in Python is a sequence of characters. All right, string in Python is a sequence of characters, multiple characters put together. It is a derived data type. Okay, keep a note of it. It's a derived data type. Strings are totally immutable. It's totally immutable. Once you put in it, you just cannot remove it. This also means that once you defined a string, they cannot be changed at all. Okay, strings in Python are surrounded by either a single quote or even a double quote. Okay, for example, hello single quote, hello world single quote, hello world double quote. All right, something like that. You can display a string literal with a print statement. The print function or a statement, you can call it as. Alright, let me show you an example. Let's do some coding here. Right guys, I have already logged into my Jetson Nano and I am on the terminal. So let's create a new file, nano string .py. You may name it anything you want. Alright guys, so now I'm into Nano IDE. Let's say let me give you an example. All right, print say in double quote hello double quote close. All right, and then print single quote hello single quote. All right, now what I am going to do, print let's say hello in double quote. Okay, I think it makes sense, right? And then print again in single quote hello. All right, now let's save this file. Control O, enter, Control X. All right, now let me try to run this program. Python 3 string.py. Can you see that? Whether it's a double quote or a single quote doesn't matter. That's how it works. However, once you declare the string inside, it's totally immutable. All right guys, so I hope this example is clear, and we will come back soon with the next set of lesson. I'm going to show you something pretty interesting in the next video. I hope you like this program guys. Do leave a comment and do subscribe and ask me any questions. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.